Gig it over, let it shade. Stealing fire, no mistake. Black boots down, cold eyes lit. Gravel flying when we rip. Knuckle scarred, engines mean. Smoke rolls out like kerosene. Town goes quiet when we slide. Too much noise, too much pride. We don't bow, we don't bend. We ride hard until the end. Chrome and thunder, gasoline soul. Hard road calling out of control. Raise that noise, let night explode. We were born for the burning road. Chrome and thunder, fist in the sky. Live too loud to fade and die. No soft hearts, no easy code. Just stealing fire on the blacktop road. Cheap bar like dirty floor. One more round, then out the door. Loudmouth talking, teeth all brave. Till the pipes bark and the window shake. Leather crack, gold chain bright. Broken saints in neon light. Bad luck runs right by our side, but fear don't sit on this damn ride. Red line rise and feel that heat. Iron heartbeat, street to street. Chrome and thunder, gasoline soul. Hard road calling out of control. Raise that noise, let night explode. We were born for the burning road. Chrome and thunder, fist in the sky. Live too loud to fade and die. No soft hearts, no easy code. Just stealing fire on the blacktop road. Let the sparks fly, let glass ring. Let the whole damn highway sing. If the storm comes, let it break. We don't run, we overtake. No mercy, no disguise. Hot steel, wild eyes. Full throttle, no retreat. Heart like iron, hands like heat. Chrome and thunder, gasoline soul. Hard road calling out of control. Raise that noise, let night explode. We were born for the burning road. Chrome and thunder, fist in the sky. Live too loud to fade and die. No soft hearts, no easy code. Just stealing fire on the blacktop road. Kick it over, let it roar. We want trouble, we want more. Chain, a busted lip, and a head full of rain. Had a switchblade cross in my jacket seam, and a bad old night still chasing me. The county law was a mile behind, with red lights burning through the pines. But my bike ran hard like a thing possessed, and the road knew well I was never blessed. Dead men ride at midnight with a ghost tied down. Black smoke rolls where the cold stars hide, and the damn found peace on a hard night ride. Yeah, I got sins I can't set right, so I let them howl into the night. Stopped at a bar by a river bend where the bottles break and the lies don't end. A woman there with a scar on her chin said, "You look like hell." I said, "Let me in." She poured me brown in a chip glass cup, said, "Men like you always show up." I said, "Maybe so, but I don't stay long." She said, "That's why they write sad songs." Dead men ride at midnight with their ghosts tied down and their hearts wound tight. Black smoke rolls with a cold and two more fools who never survived. I knew one girl who said my name like a last warm match in a hurricane. But the road takes all what you can't hold, the weak, the wild, the young, the old, and every mile cuts one more seam in the ragged hide of a man's bad dream. Now dawn comes thin on a north-stained sky, and the blackbirds wheel where the dead wheeze. I got blood on my knuckles, dust on my vest, and a mean old engine beating in my chest. If I make it south by the break of day, I might lose one ghost along the way, but the rest ride close like a funeral hymn, and I know damn well I still ride with them. Their goals tied down and their hearts wound tight. Black smoke rolls where the cold stars hide, and the damn fine peace on a hard night ride. Yeah, I got sins I can't set right, so I let him howl into the night. Yeah, let him howl into the night. Dead man ride. Chair with a crack in my back and dust in my hair. The sun came slow through a dirty pane, like it knew my name and my kind of pain. My boots were warm, my hands were dry, had an old blue map and a washed out sky, and that old bike sat like a faithful hound, waiting on me to leave this town. So give me one more mile of morning, one more song the wind can carry on, one more road to lay my worry down, one more light before the day is gone. I ain't clean, but I keep moving on. Just me and the wheels and the slow down song. Stop for eggs and burn black coffee at a little white place off Highway 40. The waitress smiled like she'd seen it all, the broken men and the hard ones fall. She said, you headed west? I said, I guess. She said, that ain't no answer. I said, it's my best. Then she laughed real low when she filled my cup, like mercy still might find us both. So give me one more mile of morning, one more song the wind can carry on, one more road to lay my worry down, one more light before the day is gone. I ain't clean, but I keep moving on. Just me and the wheels and the slow down song. I knew a man who could pray out loud with a steady hand and his head unbowed. Me, I talk low to the humming steel, to the engine's ache and the way wounds heal. Every town leaves a little mark, every love leaves a little dark, but the sky turns gold if you give it time, and a hard old heart still keeps some shine. Now the fields roll by in shades of brown, and the birds draw lines over every town. I got no big truth and no grand plan, just a road that bends and a tired man. But the day feels wide and the air feels kind, like I left one ghost a few miles behind. And if grace comes near, it won't make a sound, it'll ride in slow when the sun goes down. So give me one more mile of morning, one more song the wind can carry on, one more road to lay my worry down, one more light before the day is gone. I ain't clean, but I keep moving on, just me and the wheels and the slow dawn song. Just me and the wheels and the slow down song. Trailing like a past I had, boot to the ground, chain on my vest, mean old motor beating in my chest. Town boys staring, girls all smirk, sheriff got twitchy soon as I parked. I said, easy boys, I ain't here to pray, I came for the noise and the terror of the day. Raise hell, ride loud, middle finger to the whole damn crowd. Burn fast, laugh mean, dirty boots and a gasoline dream. No rules, no break, take what's mine and a little more to take. Raise hell, ride loud, king of the gutter, outlaw proud. Outlaw proud. Jukebox broke, so we sang instead. Stomped that floor till the lights went red. Some fools talk big, so I talk rude. Then we both got thrown for our attitude. Barmaid laughed and said, boy, you're trash. I said, darling, that's a hell of a man. She stole my smoke, I stole her line, then we tore out back to kill some time. Raise hell, ride loud, middle finger to the whole damn crowd. Burn fast, laugh mean, dirty boots and a gasoline dream. No rules, no break, take what's mine and a little more to take. Raise hell, ride loud, king of the gutter, outlaw pride. I got grease on my hands, bad luck and toe, a cheap tattoo and nowhere to go. But the moon looked good and the pipes talk right, so we lit that road like a Saturday night. No badge, no boss, no guilt for what I lost. Just speed, smoke, steel, and jokes. finger to the whole damn crowd. Burn fast, laugh mean, dirty boots and a gasoline dream. No rules, no break, take what's mine and a little more to take. Raise hell, ride loud, king of the gutter, outlaw proud. Yeah, king of the gutter, outlaw proud. Still have drum. Riding loud. Your soul's like mine. Some lost years, some lost names, some wear guilt, some wear chains. Some got kids, some got graves, some still fight the men they saved. Brothers in the iron wind, born to lose, too hard to bend. Raise the mallet, engine sing, we are the fire the black roads bring. Crown, no throne, just open sky and the thunder home. I see men break, I see men crawl, I see one word, end it all. But not this pack, not this ride. We keep the dead on the inside. Name by name, face by face, we carry ghosts, no time can erase. Mile by mile, state by state, we don't run from love or fate. So light one up for the ones gone south, for the shut tight eyes and the silent mouth. Pour one out on the old black ground. Hear that thunder, that's them now. No white flag, no last prayer, just cracked hands in the smoky air. No fake peace, no clean end, just steel fire and your oldest friend. Brothers in the iron wind, born to still morning, night rolls thin. Still my brother, still my kin. I left the town in a cloud of dust, with a bad back wheel and a heart gone rust. Had a dollar bill and a dead man's ring and a Bible in the bag. I didn't read a thing. The morning came like a busted fight, with a pale sun burning through the night, and the road stretched out like a guilty prayer, with the smell of smoke still in my head. It's a long way down when you live this hard, with your sins in the sea and your soul all scarred. I keep one hand on the wheel, one on the past, trying to outrun smoke that was built to last. Yeah, it's a long way down, but I still ride on like a man too late to be forgiven by dawn. I stopped at a diner by a county line, where the coffee burned and the clocks ran blind. A woman there with tired green eyes said, "You look like truth wrapped up in lies." I said, "Man, I've been called worse." She said, "Ain't no man ever beat that curse." Then she poured me black and she poured it slow, like she knew some things I didn't want to know. It's a long way down when you live this hard, with your sins in the sea and your soul all scarred. I keep one hand on the wheel, one on the past, trying to outrun smoke that was built to last. Yeah, it's a long way down, but I still ride on like a man too late to be forgiven by dawn. Some men find peace in the house of God, some lay it down in a field of loss. Me, I hear mine in the engine's moan, in the crack of dust when I ride alone. And the names I knew, they still ride near, in the mirror smoke, in the midnight fear. Every mile I take still takes me back to the words I said I can't take back. Now the moon hangs low on the southern pines, and the white lines shake like old fault lines. I got chain on my vest and dust on my boots, and a throat full of gravel, blood and truth. If there's grace for men who were born this wrong, it ain't in the bars and it ain't in songs, but I still sing low when the road goes black, like a broken hound that keeps coming back. It's a long way down when you live this hard, with your sins in the sea, and your soul all scarred. I keep one hand on the wheel, one on the past, trying to outrun smoke that was built to last. Yeah, it's a long way down, but I still ride on like a man too late to be forgiven by dawn. Yeah, still ride on. Like a man too late to be forgiven by dawn. I left Tulsa in a cloud of dust, with a broke down Ford and a heart of rust. Had a half-pack smoke and a 45, and a preacher's warning I outlived twice. The sheriff's lights were a mile behind, but I knew them roads like I knew my mind. I'd been running hard since I turned 18, too wild for the law, too broke for clean. I'm too mean for heaven, too hard for hell. Got a past full of stories I don't ever tell. I drink like thunder, I ride like sin, and I laugh when trouble comes rolling in. Yeah, I'm too mean for heaven, too gone for grace, just a worn-out drifter with a hard luck face. Stopped that night in a border town where the whiskey burned and the sun went down. Met a girl with a crooked smile, said you ain't gonna stay here long, not your style. I said, honey, you got that right, I belong to the road and the neon light. She said, men like you leave pain behind. I said, that's true, but I leave fast too. I'm too mean for heaven, too hard for hell. Got a past full of stories I don't ever tell. I drink like thunder, I ride like sin, and I laugh when trouble comes rolling in. Yeah, I'm too mean for heaven, too gone for grace, just a worn-out drifter with a hard look face. Well, I buried a friend by an old fence line, poured out whiskey and I took my time. Said a few bad words to the evening sky, 'cause the good ones leave and the bad boys ride. I ain't proud, but I ain't ashamed. I just learned too young how to live this way. When the blacktop calls, I don't ask why, I just turn that key and let it fly. Now the moon hangs low on the cotton fields, and the night rolls black on a set of wheels. I got dust on my boots and blood in my song, and a feeling deep down I won't last long. But until that day when the deal comes due, I keep rolling on like the outlaws do, with a hat tipped back and a grin half crooked, living every mile like the law overlooked it. I'm too mean for heaven, too hard for hell. Got a past full of stories I don't ever tell. I drink like thunder, I ride like sin, and I laugh when trouble comes rolling in. Yeah, I'm too mean for heaven, too gone for grace, just a worn-out drifter with a hard luck face. Yeah, just a worn-out drifter